Well, today I will be doing a challenge with my dad. And we will pour liquid on each other's head. Oh no, don't miss. Get up now. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Who is gonna pick first? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, you go first. You pick first.
So whatever number I get, I pour on you, right?
No, I pour on you.
Whoa,
Okay,
whoa,
okay.
whoa, 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 whoa. What's the point of me winning?
One. So you are getting 2. I wanted that one.
2 is...
My peach whips. I'm gonna.
It's gonna be cold. Are you ready? No, you can't close your eyes.
Yes, I can.
Look at the camera. Say, that's brisk, baby.
That's brisk. Oh my God, no! Oh, it's so cold.
There's ice brisk everywhere. All right.
Okay, I picked, so I'm gonna.
I get to read it.
Aww.
So we have number 10.
10.
What is number 10?
Tomato juice.
No. No, I can't start with tomato juice.
Yes, you're gonna start with tomato juice. Go ahead.
I'm allergic to tomatoes.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Wait. I'm not ready. Wait. That's cold. You didn't even get on my head.
I know.
We need more towels. It stinks.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh,
You just got
Oh,
busted. You need to take that. Oh my God.
it went all the way over here.
Oh. It went
Oh,
on me
over there.
too. It went on me too. Oh my God. On me too.
Whose idea was it to do that?
My mom. Your wife. Oh no, I know he's gonna do it to me there. Wait, my legs.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Which one? Oh, so I pick those. Oh my God. You take that. And you pick. I need to wash my hands.
You get to see this number.
Oh yeah. Oh, no one's gonna. 9.
Number 9.
Okay, it's not.
Oh my God.
I like
Oh,
that.
no.
That's a good.
You won't like it after this.
Oh really? Why?
This is not gonna be fun in your head.
Oh no, I
Get
like.
over here. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. Come on. Be brave.
No.
Oh yeah, come on, keep it up.
Oh. There's so much. There's so much.
Oh.
Hey.
Just flip your hair back. Nice and slowly. Here, come here. Just like this. There you go.
Oh.
Get over here in the camera. Come on. Hey, put it over there.
You did too much eating. I pee.
You peed. You peed? I'm not putting that on my head.
No, I know it's not that.
Pour the next thing on my head.
Oh my God.
Something good. Something good. Something good.
6. I'm sure it's 6.
What's 6? What's 6?
Oh, it's 4. It's 4. It's 4.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's 4.
Oh, another. Oh, I gotta put my knees somewhere. Okay, don't go crazy this time.
No,
I'm not
I
moving.
promise. I promise.
Okay.
That's all.
That's all.
You smell good. Oh.
Oh, it's going down my bum crack. Ah.
Oh my god, I don't want to touch you.
Get over here.
No, don't do that. Oh. I look at it.
No, you just looked at mine. No. Oh, that one doesn't count. Number 8.
Oh, no.
Number 8.
Oh, no, put the Pepsi, not Pepsi.
It's okay. It's diet. Ready? Here it
No.
goes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I got something in my nose. Oh. Oh my god.
Want a towel?
Stop. Stop. Oh. Oh. I know it's really cold. It's really cold.
It's cold. It doesn't smell good with everything else.
Oh. You bet.
This one's going on my head. No, you pick. It's going on my head.
Imagine it's a bad one.
You read it.
Oh no, you read it. Oh, it's 7. What is 7? Oh.
Why did I get all the liquid stuff?
It's all liquid. I don't know how you know it's liquid.
Oh no. Not all of it.
Oh, I need.
I didn't do all the Pepsi.
Okay, fine.
Half, max.
Look what I'm gonna do.
It's burning my eye. Okay, please, no more. Please. No! My eye! Help, please! Ow! It's burning. Oh! Oh, headache. Ah!
It's not even the half.
No more.
It's not even half.
No more.
It's not half.
No more, I said.
Okay, fine.
My head's on fire. It's cold though, doesn't make sense.
No, there's 4 left. I see it. I see
No,
it.
I see.
No, I look.
You gotta learn the rules. Number 5.
Oh, 5. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, stop. Stop. You're not allowed.
You can do it to me if you want.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have a ponytail. What's the number?
1.
Catalina.
Catalina.
Oh no.
I'm gonna show you guys what it is.
Oh my gosh. That feels weird. It's not cold though. Oh.
You look like a pizza.
So do you. It's not so bad though. It's not cold like the other stuff. It's just thick.
There's 2 left. There's 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Oh, I hope I have the 3 at least. At least the 3. Here, wash your hands. it's coming with your eye. It's coming at your eye. Eye.
It's okay.
Okay, you, yeah. What is it?
Oh.
No, it's not. What is it?
6.
No!
Get over here. Okay, keep your eyes open for this one. Come
No.
on. Yeah, it's thick. It's not gonna go in your eye. Don't worry.
Okay, please.
Trust me. Trust me. Okay, it might go in your eyes. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Don't wipe it away.
Oh, I see. Oh, it smells good.
It's okay, it's not going in your eyes. It's not going in your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay.
And you have 3.
The last
And
one?
this one, you need to close your eyes.
This is the last one.
Well, it's 3. It's obvious.
It's obvious. Let's just make sure we're not cheating.
3. Now you need to close your eyes this time. You need to close your eyes. You need to close your eyes. Close your eyes. You need to close your eyes.
Oh, it's taking so long.
1.
Cold. It's very cold. It's very cold. It's
You know
crazy.
there's chocolate on it? There's chocolate. I got chocolate.
I can't see anything. I can't see anything. Ow! Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. Very bad. Okay.
No! I'm gay. I'm gonna stop.
You're gay?
I'm not gay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Click that bell.